Hey guys, good morning. It is day 2 at AEP ReCreation Land. I'm here at Camp K at my free campsite. Look at this. Campfire, water, anything you could ever imagine. And tons of ponds and lakes that are free to you and me to use. I paid nothing for this campsite. Absolutely free. No, there's no water, there's no electricity, there's bathrooms, and there is fishing non-stop. I stayed in my car last night. I just pulled my kids' bed. They're away for the weekend, and I slept wonderfully here. Put a tarp over my kayak and fishing stuff, and got some coffee on the fire, and just getting ready to go out for a full day. It's supposed to be a scorcher today, but I'm excited. I got this place. I was at church a few weeks ago, and this guy told me about a spot, and there's probably 6 or 7 ponds at the spot. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. We're going to try to catch some largemouth bass. We're definitely going to catch some bluegill, try to catch some big ones too. But man, can't ask for anything better. All right, let's do this. All right. Well, you want to try to find a road like this. Well traveled, a little overgrown. Off to my next lake, and I see it right there. We're ready. Back here. Yeah, I like these bio bait worms because, man, they do not come off. I'm there for a long time. Nice little cut over here. See if I can pick up another one. Nothing over here. Let's try it over here. Oh, a bite. And big go. Got him. I like the yellow rusty ones. What a bass. Hey, bro. Hey, fella. You like the worm? Yeah, feisty. Feisty one. Not very big, but a bass. Oh, there we go. It's going. It's going. What we got here? Tiny bass. Man, they will hit on anything artificial, but man, they love the worms. What I like to do is hide the hook right inside. Don't let it stick out. And man, then you set the hook and boom. Boom, boom, boom. Come again. Something. Gill. They're getting a little bigger out here in the middle. I want bigger. Give me a big one. Oh, that was quick. Not a big one. You're just hungry. The little one. Not too bad. We got a live one. Oh. There we go. Come on. A pretty one. That could be a little fillet. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. And there you have it, folks. AEP fishing. Man, I was fishing mostly with worms, and as you can see, the bass and small bass and the bluegill were just slamming them. So if you're thinking go out here and do some kayak fishing here in AEP ReCreation lands, man, just pick a pond. They are loaded, absolutely loaded with bass and bluegill. So these particular ponds are over by the big musky bucket. So if you're looking on a map, look behind the big musky bucket and you'll see a long list of ponds. But hey, stop watching videos and get out there and catch some fish. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.